Hello everyone, welcome again to the Die Never Dies, and today we have another unboxing of this Zombicide expansion for Green Horde and Black Plague. This expansion is Friends and Foe. Friends and Foe, another expansion of Zombicide. Zombicide series is quite prolific in terms of expansion, and this one added to the game new survivors, new zombies and pets. This is the front of the box, very nice like usual, and on the back we can see the content. In this box, as in every box of this series, there are several miniatures, and this box contains 29 miniatures. This expansion expands mostly Green Horde, adding additional orc zombies, tainted orc zombie this time. Let's start to look inside the box. Okay. Open this pack. Here we have additional 5 board, gaming board, 2 sides as usually, village setting and countryside setting. Very nice. So we have interior and exterior, water, stairs. Very good addition. Then we have a new card for survivors, because here we see 4 new survivors. Okay, let's remove this. Card for survivor and new gaming card. And this one. Four brand new survivors. What we have here: a wizard, an orc warrior, maybe a rogue, and a female fighter. All of them with a new set of skills. Here, additional gaming card, new weapons, and a heavy dagger. Okay. Equipment, additional weapon, something strange here, plug mask, maybe protection, scrolls, and here the pet, which is the new feature of this expansion. So the survivors can have their own pet to help in the fight against the horde of zombies. And here, new card to activate the horde. And now let's move to the miniature, my favorite part. Okay, here we have 6, 12, 18 new zombie, they call tainted zombie, 4 survivors and a new abomination. A big spike and horn. Look the miniature one by one. Here the wizard, the orc, very detailed as they promise. a rogue maybe, a lady, another lady, a warrior with sword and shield, and here the zombie. We have only 3 positions, so 6 zombies for each position. In this case they call tainted zombie, a bit more powerful than the normal zombie. With spike, fur, armor, all the gear to scare the survivor. And here the cute addition of this expansion, dogs. A strange animal, look like a cat but with the wings. Maybe allowed to move more fast. And then a couple of wolves. Very nice. Okay, on the side of the box there are some additional information. Let's have a look. Blocking the miniature. Okay, here they list the character. They give a name to all the pets: Nucifer, Vanadis, Magog. And then here what do we have? Pets, another pet, and 2 of the characters. And here the abomination, the zombie, another pet, and here the last side, more survivors, and the last pet set. Nice, a blue flying cat. And the box include also a new instruction manual, very complete like usual. It includes 23 pages. And in this manual there are instructions to play the new character, the new familiars, the pets, the new zombies, and a new set of 10 casts. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Ciao.